All right, Wi-Fi pineapple pager unboxing. Got this, I pre-ordered it as soon as it came out. I got the autograph. I got the Darren Kitchen autograph, and it looks weird. It looks like his autograph was printed on. Yeah, there you go. Looks like it was printed on instead of actually signed, so I paid $50 for a piece of paper. All right, back to the pineapple. All right, nothing in the box. We have the clip and the pager. There's nothing under it. There's a little set of eyes in the box. And the pager. The new Wi-Fi pineapple pager. First boot, I don't know how to turn it on. Yeah, there we go. Put the clamp on it, and then wait for it to boot. I've heard these things take forever to boot. Probably first time. I don't know how long this is supposed to take. All right. I'll be back. All right, just took a minute. It booted. Oh, I got scared. And I went longer. System booting. All right, we're almost there. I think. Setup is ready. I'll be back. Clean. So I got to the setup. I did it. Now we're flashing.